Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a video on Clash. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Clash app. After that, if you see a video and you want to share that with someone, you have to click on that paper airplane icon, and you can see that the last option is share, so click on that. And now you can share this video through these apps. So yeah, and if you want to share a profile, then you go to that person's profile, then click on the three dots at the top of the screen, and you can see the first option is share this profile. And then again, through these apps, you can share with someone this profile if you found it interesting, or you want to show something to someone. Then this is a great and quick way to do that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.